Hey there, welcome back to Finance Flight. If you've ever started a budget only to abandon it after a week, this video is for you. Today, I'm breaking down how to build a simple, beginner-friendly budget that actually works, no complicated spreadsheets or financial wizardry required. Let's dive in. Why budgeting matters. Okay, real talk. Budgeting really gets a bad rap. It's not about depriving yourself or tracking every single penny, it's about being intentional with your money so it works for you, not against you. Think of it as your financial flight plan. Without one, it's easy to crash and burn. But with one, smooth sailing. Step 1, know your numbers. Get real about your income and expenses. Grab a piece of paper, your phone, or whatever's handy, and write down 2 things. 1. How much money you bring in each month, after taxes. 2. Everything you spend money on, bills, groceries, that extra large coffee you swear you needed. Don't stress about being perfect, just estimate for now. The goal is to get a snapshot of your financial landscape. Pro tip, check your bank statements to jog your memory. Step 2, the 50/30/20 rule. Now, let's break down your budget using the 50/30/20 rule. It's simple and super beginner-friendly. 50% of your income goes to needs, rent, utilities, groceries, etc. 30% is for wants, dining out, hobbies, Netflix binges. 20% is for savings or paying off debt. If your numbers don't quite fit this breakdown, that's okay. This is a guideline, not a rule book. Adjust as needed. Step 3, track and adjust. Start tracking where your money goes. You can use apps or just keep it old school with a notebook. After a month, check in. Are you overspending on takeout? Not putting enough towards savings? No shame, it's all about progress. Think of your budget as a living document. It's meant to evolve as your life and goals change. Before we wrap up, here are a couple of bonus tips to make your budget stick. 1. Automate what you can. Set up automatic transfers for savings and bills so you're not tempted to spend first. 2. Reward yourself. Hit a savings goal. Treat yourself within reason. Budgeting shouldn't feel like punishment. Remember, the key is to build a budget that feels doable, not restrictive. So there you have it, your crash course in building a simple and effective budget. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss more tips to take your finances to new heights. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video on Finance Flight. Until next time, keep flying high.